So, I bought a floor lamp na RGB. So, basically, it's a corner lamp. No? Corner lamp siya dyan. So, it's very cheap lang. I mean, so hopefully, it works. Pero so far, the box itself is quite nice. USB Type-C, the actual tube. So, it's a plastic tube. Remote. Yung kanyang stand. And the lamp. So, itong lamp na to, kailangan mo pa siyang i-connect. A USB Type-C here at the bottom. And that's red. Diba? So, that's red. So, nag-change yung lights niya. So, you can change the color, yung functionalities niya, nagbi-blink ba siya o hindi.
So kung gusto nyong pagandahin yung background ninyo, bili na kayo nitong RGB floor lamp.